Hello everyone. This is Ray Momar Jr. I am taking diploma in information technology in North Coast Bohol Institute Incorporated. And for today, I'll be showing you our um, enrollment system that we created for our web development subject. But first, I will show you our ERD, or like the blueprint of our database. So okay. So ERD, or entity relationship diagram. So this diagram consists of shapes like rectangle, diamonds, and etc. to represent the entities inside our database. And for example, this rectangle, it represents the um, tables inside our database. So here in our enrollment system, we have like a room table, subject table, teacher, students, grades, schedule, course tables, and also if you notice here, um, we have like arrows here that is pointing to other tables. So this is what we call relationships. So for example, here subjects have a relationship to or relations to teacher. So it means subjects can have teacher, and also here subjects can have grades. So they have like a one-to-one relationship. And then here students can have subjects, subjects can have students. So it's vice versa. So also with the students and rooms and students. So they can have the tables can have the other table. So yeah. So for example, here students have also a course, but course cannot have a students, and so on. And then we will be heading to RDD. So it is also like a blueprint of our database, but for very specific. So what is RDD? RDD stands for Resilient Distributed Dataset. So it's like the upgraded version of ERD. So in here, we are only showing the name of the table here, but in RDD, we will be showing you the insides of the um, tables. So this is what we call columns here. If you, I mean, the entities inside the tables. So these the columns, or like the information that the tables hold or stored. I mean can store. So here in teachers, um, the teachers can have name, address, gender, contact number, room ID, and schedules. So that is what the teachers table can store. And also the student can have like a first name, last name, age, email, room, address, contact, schedule, grade. About the ID, so this is like auto generated by the database. So I am not um uh I did not mention it because I only mentioned the important things that is stored in database, like all of the I mean columns here, like will all of the tables here will be having a ID, so that is required. So yeah, so that is RDD. And then now we will be heading to, we will be showing you like the database itself. Okay, first I will open my server, turn on my server, and mm, 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 manage. So it is running now. And if I open a browser and then go to phpMyAdmin. So in here, if you notice here in the phpMyAdmin sidebar, um, if you notice these things, this is the databases inside our phpMyAdmin. So these individuals are a database, and here, for example, here we can see the tables inside the database. So the NCBII DB have a grades, persons, student, users, teachers tables, and that tables have like columns here. So this what they are holding. So they have like the information for the persons. So the persons can have like address, age, contact, email, first name, last name, room, and semester. Okay. Um, that is like our database for our uh, enrollment system. And now I will show you now the enrollment system here. Oh, sorry. Show but home. Okay. This is now the enrollment system. It have like a small issue for the stylings here, but um that can be fixed easily. But anyways, if you see here, like there's a button, like an arrow button. So these toggles are sidebar here, and in our sidebar, um, it stores like, I mean, it holds the navigation links for our page. So with this, we can navigate to all of the pages here easily. So if I go to teachers room, dashboard. So as you can see, we can navigate there easily with the help of our um, sidebar. And then let me delete this at the moment. And then inside our enrollment system, we can add a student. Okay, I'll add myself as I am also a student. 21 contact number, then first semester. Okay, and if you notice above, like there's a text like colored green text. It says here that the new record created successfully. Now if you return, we will see that it is added here successfully. And if we check here on our persons, it is also added to our database. So even if you like reload the page or go to other tabs, it will not be removed as it is now inside, I mean, stored inside our database. So now we will try to edit our information. So I'll make this 18 and I'll add 0 and 93, and I will be a student and second semester and save. And if you notice here, we have this colored green text here again, so it means that it is successfully updated. So if I return, you will notice, I mean, you will see that the age is updated. So for before it is like 21, but now it is 18. Also here, um the email, it was like 39 before, but now it's 93. And yeah, now I am in second semester. And okay, and also we can delete the student like what I did like on the um like before, like on the starting part of the um, introduction to the enrollment system. So I'll add it again. Sorry, because I also need a student for this um, walkthrough. Okay, let me uh, ch- charge my laptop and then first semester. Now I'm saving it again. It is now here. And okay. Now we will go to the students list, and in here, the teachers can or the administrators can find a specific student by name. Oh yeah, by first name. Sorry about that. So Virgilio. So in here, I can find myself here. So in here, we can give the ability um, to search a student. I mean, we have the ability. Sorry about that. So we have the ability to search a student by its first name, and then um, grades list. Um, we can add a grades list here, and I'll add a grade for myself. I have one because I am a very good student. I think save record. Now it is added successfully, and if we check on the grades list, I am I mean my grades are now here. It is stored here, and then I can update the um okay, I can update the grade. If I return, it's now 2, and I can also remove this one. Okay, let me add it again. Okay, um in the grades list, I can add grades. Okay, I can add grades again. Let me add it again. And now our okay, I'm done adding the student grades. You can add a student. So yeah, that is the buttons that gives you the ability to navigate to grades list, add student grades, or add a student itself. And then we'll be heading to room. So as you can see here, we can see the rooms here and the students that belongs to a room. So for example, me, I am in room 1 in Diploma Information Technology. I am inside here. I belong here to room 1. Then I'll go to teachers. So in here, the administrator or other teachers can add another teacher. So um, room number. So I can add a teacher. So Virgilia, because I am now a woman, and Mumara. And then now, if we head to teachers again, we will now see that the teacher is stored here. So we can add multiple teachers. We can edit the teacher. We can I will update to Mumar. So it is updated here, and then we can delete the teacher. Right, but I'll add it again. Okay, now we have like um the teacher. Sorry about that. We have now a teacher here. And then we can add a schedules. Oh no, sorry about that. We can add, but we can see the list of the schedules here and the type of the class. So for example, the class is like online. or physical or face to face, and then the hours, the meetup days, so Monday to Wednesdays, Monday to Wednesday, sorry about that. Then programming, I mean the subjects here, and yeah, and then here, if you see like these three boxes here, we can navigate. I mean, if we click like the title here, we can navigate to the list. So for example, the student list, then the teachers list, and the authors. But this is like upcoming. And then the last one will be the about us. Okay, know about us. Okay, and about us, we can log out the user. So if I log out, now I am now logged out. Then I can sign in if I want to. So then can log in again. So yeah, that will be the ending of our walkthrough to our enrollment system, and I hope I was able to explain it properly. And yeah, thank you very much, and thank you all for your time on watching my tutorials to our, I mean, to our enrollment system.